So guys, recently I have posted quite a lot of video on this Xiaomi Mi A3, and as you guys probably know that on this channel the tips and tricks of Mi series is very famous. So you guys are requesting me to do a full tips and tricks video of this Xiaomi Mi A3. So that's why today in this video I am going to do a full tips and tricks video of this Xiaomi Mi A3. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and today I'm going to tell you more than 20 plus tips, tricks and hidden features of this Xiaomi Mi A3. By the way, I'm recording this video with the front facing camera of Xiaomi Mi A3. So yeah, this is how I'm recording. So here's the camera, here's a microphone, here's the camera, and I'm right here. By the way, earphone is to listen what microphone is listening. So let's quickly start the video. So before starting this video guys, let me tell you that in this video I'm going to tell you some of the basic tips that a lot of people don't know, but if you know them, please don't yell at me that it's very basic. Some of the basic tricks of this smartphone is the Nightlight and Grayscale mode. I hope you guys know about them. So go in the display and there you will find this Nightlight. Basically this is a blue light filter. So when you turn this on, the display reduces the emission of the blue light. So this blue light filter help you to sleep better. After that, you have another mode known as Grayscale, and my god, it's very awesome feature right here. That basically if you don't have the Grayscale mode, just tap on this icon pencil button, and in this area there might be something called Grayscale. Just drag and drop it right here, and when you enable that, basically it makes phone's display black and white. And if you are a reader, if you read a lot of books, then this is very good for you. It will become like a Kindle. So yeah, it will be very helpful for some people to read the books in this site type of scenario. So if you wanna try this, please try it and let me know how do you feel. Go in the settings, then go to apps and notification, and then you'll find this screen time. Just go in there and you will find a lot of things that you do in your smartphone. Basically this is a dashboard where you find what you did in your smartphone. So as you see, I've spent 1 hour 50 minutes on YouTube, 1 hour 13 minutes on WhatsApp. If you want to get aware of the time that you utilize on your smartphone, then you can use this particular feature. And then after that, a lot of people don't know that when this device shipped, there is no battery percentage right over there. So for that you have to go into the battery and enable this battery percentage. From here you can enable this battery percentage, so you will get a battery percentage right in the notification panel. After that, go to the display guys, and there is a very awesome feature called Ambient Display. So when we get notification, the display lights up. By the way, it has a notification LED right over here, but this feature is also very helpful. This is how it looks. And then after that we have this device theme over here. When I've posted the last tips and tricks of this Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, a lot of you guys are asking that how your notification shade area has black background, my notification are blue, and their notification are white. So I have told them that on the basis of the wallpaper, the notification shade changes. But in this phone, we have the option to change it light, dark or automatic based on wallpaper. So like if I put dark, so the notification area, the notification shade will become dark. After that, go to storage, and then we found this storage manager over here. From here you can do a lot of things, and basically from here you can get the idea what things are consuming your storage and how much storage is consumed by which application, which photos and which movies. All the necessary storage things are available over here, so you can use it to get the idea of it. Now after that, go to security and location, and first of all turn on this Find My Device. It's a very awesome feature guys. You have to turn it on. Basically when your device gets lost and the location is on, then you can find your device with the PC. Basically search Find My Device on Google and you will find it, and log in. When you log in with your Google ID which is logged in your phone, then you can get the location of your device, and also you can ring your device. You can lock the device too. So, and you can of course format your device remotely with the PC. So that's a very neat feature, and I love that feature. Then after that, there is a fingerprint scanner. And guys, this is one of the cheapest phone, comes with the under display fingerprint scanner. I know it's not that fast, but yeah, it's a way to future. As you see, it's quite slow, but the face unlock is pretty fast. As you see, yeah, the face unlock is pretty fast. So you have to select and add the face unlock right over here, and you have to add the fingerprint scanner from here. And then we have smart lock, which is not that useful in my opinion. So yeah, then after that you have a very awesome feature called screen pinning. Just turn it on, and it's a very, very nice feature. Let me tell you what it does. For example, if I want to give my phone to someone to use a calculator for say, so when I open the calculator and I don't want them, the person who takes my phone, to access any other application or files of my phone, then I can just lock this phone on this calculator. Just do this, I mean go into the multitasking menu as you see, and press on here and then pin it. When you pin this application, the person will not go back. No matter what he try, he will not able to go back. As you see over here, it will be locked, and the status bar is also locked. You cannot access any other things except this one, except this particular application, whatever application that you have opened. And to get out of this application, just press and hold this button together and you will get out of it, and the phone will be locked. So you have to enter the pin or password. After that, you have a multitasking option over here. Like if I want to use calculator and Instagram together, then I can use that. Just tap over here and split screen. Then as you see, I can use any application like calculator and the books app together. So as you see, I can use both the application together. I can resize them, but it's not possible in this particular app. So as you see, it's a very, very neat feature. So multitasking, if you don't know how to do that, I've told you. Then go to accessibility. There you will find a lot of features. Like you can change the font size, display size, and you have magnification option. If you don't able to see properly and you want some magnification, you can enable this feature. With this, by triple tapping on the display, you can just zoom into the display as you see, and again you have to triple tap to just demagnify the display basically, and you can enable the magnify with the button too. So we have this power button and calls. So if you enable it and you are on call and you have to end the call, just press the power button and the call will end. So that's a very neat feature, but I don't need it because I accidentally press power button a lot of time when I'm on the call. So yeah, you have high contrast text. Basically the text will become more contrasty but I don't like it. Yeah, and then after that we have this digital well-being option. I mean, it's a very awesome feature, guys. Like lots and lots of people are obsessed with the smartphone and they use a smartphone a lot, like more than they need to be. So for that, if you are aware that you are using your smartphone a lot and you don't know where you are spending your time on your smartphone, you should use this application and it will tell you a lot of things, like where are you using. And as you see, this is a part, the screen time feature is a part of this well-being option. You can do a lot of things. You can manage notification. You should explore this feature, guys. After that, go to system, then go to gesture. Then you have find this jump to camera option. Just enable it. It's a very, very nice feature. After enabling it, like when I press this button twice, it will open again. So yeah, we have prevent ringing option. Like if my phone is on general mode and if I wanted to put it on a vibration mode, so a lot of people do like this, they just reduce the volume, but as you see, by default it's on media, and if you reduce the volume, the phone will ring after all. But if I want to put it on vibrate mode or silent mode, just do this, press up volume up and power button together, as you see, and in seconds it will go into the vibration mode. Go to advanced, guys. As you see over here, that you have a multiple user option. In the Xiaomi phones, usually you have a second space option where you can create your virtual smartphone, and here also with the help of this multiple user option, you can create a new phone, a virtual phone inside your phone. So yeah, it's a very, very useful. As you see, this is a brand new phone and I can set up it as a new phone. I can use new applications over here. Go to the home setting, and here if you want a notification dots to be enabled, just enable it. It's a very nice feature. When you got some notification, there will be a dot on that particular application, and basically it's a very good thing for reminding us. And then we have at a glance, that's a good thing. And enable this when you install new application, so you will get the new application on the home page. And if you don't want this, just disable it. And display Google app. So as you see, this is a Google app. So if I don't want to use this, so I can basically disable it from here. By the way, it's raining in the Mumbai again, so yeah. And then you have allow home screen rotation. If you want to rotate your home screen, you can do that with that. Yeah, as you see that the home screen is rotated right now. By the way, it's started raining quite heavily. In my previous video, a lot of people are asking which theme are you using. So a lot of people are asking how do you got this awesome widget right over here. So it's called a custom widget, and I have made it with the help of this application called KWGT. You have to install this application. Then you have to install some other applications too, that this Hug KWGT. So with the help of this, go to the widget and find out KWGT. As you see, just press it over here and find out some that you want to keep. Like if I want this one, so I can keep it right there. Save. So as you see, it's very small right now. Yeah, so I can customize it a lot as I want. So as you see, I got a custom widget right over here. I mean, this MI-A3 is an Android 1 device, so it's stock Android, so you don't have a lot of customization option over here. But if you want to customize your phone, you should download this Nova launcher, and it is one of my favorite launcher. With the help of this, you can change the icon packs. You can change the shape of the icon. Like I have this minty free icon pack right over here. So let me apply it. Apply Nova launcher. Okay. So as you see, I got new icon pack and all the icon shapes are changed right now. And it's a very nice thing, and you can add custom widgets over here, and you can customize your phone a lot with this application, with this Nova launcher app. And go to setting. Then as you see, you can customize everything, like every small detail you can customize from here. And you have notification badges and all those jazz. But for that, you have to buy the Nova Launcher Prime. By the way, I have the Nova Launcher Prime. I've already bought it, as you see. So with the help of this Nova Launcher, you can basically customize your phone a lot. And guys, before ending this video, let me tell you that in my last video, a lot of people are asking me how to take a screenshot of this smartphone. So for that, I know it's a very, very basic feature, but a lot of people don't know what is screenshot. Basically, if you want to take the screenshot of your current screen, just press and hold the volume down and the power button together for 3 seconds, and it will take a screenshot. Is that easy? Yeah, it is that easy. So yeah, this is all the thing that I wanted to tell you about this phone. If you learned something new, guys, then hit that like button. And if you know something else which I don't know and which I have not included in this video, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know those things, and a lot of people will learn some new stuff. So yeah, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Please share this video with the people who have a Android 1 device or any other device, so it will be very, very helpful to them. If you found my content very helpful, then hit that subscribe button with that bell notification icon, so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. By the way, if you wanna see more videos of this phone, I will leave a card, the playlist card over here. You can go and check that out. With that said, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye bye. Take care.